Guess what? We have another edition of dating tips and maybe some what not to do's in this edition. Y'all, this was actually a picture taken from a man's dating profile. He says, I'm experiencing mild symptoms of jungle fever. I want you to understand that this is probably not the best way to joke your way into someone's heart. But wait, it gets worse. This is what he says. Why is it so hard to find the chocolate for my swirl? Jungle fever ain't no joke. So he has a picture of a niece on his dating profile. And he says, that's my beautiful niece. Live every day like it's your last. I work hard, enjoy the little things, love to travel, especially random road trips, love music, sense of humor a must. Do you like magic? Also, I'm the crazy cat guy, although recently lost one. But if you don't like cats, well, I don't trust you, and you need to reevaluate your life. Hashtag play for keeps and keeps it real. So, a positive. He uses punctuation. Now, his bio is all over the place. It has no theme to it. It's just some sentences strung together. Weirdly placed exclamation points, kind of aggressive at times. And the fact that he is fetishizing black women in his bio is also weird. But why won't these people just ask a woman to reevaluate or to look over their bio? Because I don't know what kind of woman this will attract. And based on all of the conversation that I've had thus far, I wonder what kind of man are you expecting? Go ahead and answer before the reveal. But I'm about to reveal the person now. This is Brandon. Doesn't he look tough? It looks like he likes beer and he likes his women like he likes his cars. Fast. He just looks like a badass. Like he just has a muscle car and he is not afraid to use it. Looks like he drinks beer when he wakes up instead of water. And he only eats meat and potatoes. And that's it. He totally looks like he says bro every other sentence. But yeah, I don't know how many women's this man named Brandon is pulling, but that's his dating profile. And you guys go ahead, jump in the comment section. Tell me what you would say to improve this dating profile. Like, comment, share.